She won't do it because you're recording.
Whoa!
What was that? Shh. What is it, doggy? What you barking at?
What's the doggy say? Shh.
You can do a sheep, right, Dave? What's the sheep say? Bah. Oh, really? You're just gonna shove that in there? More? Good job! That was the first time all by yourself without me. Oh, here's two more.
2.
Yay, Kate, I got 2. I love the peach ones.
There's a little baker down there. She's over on this side. Don't give her those. Those are too expensive.
I know, I'm surprised she would give them up. She loves them.
She doesn't have any.
I was going to say, is there really one in her hand? Say, no, doggy. No yogurt melts for you. Sorry, Jeannie. She's a good girl.
See if she does it.
For me? What? There's Mocha. More?
Good
Okay.
job.
You can have more. Yeah. Do you want these? Yeah. 1, 2. Yummy.